Hello, this is Dr. Priya Dev. I attended the one-day next generation sequencing workshop conducted by BDG Lifesciences. I am extremely thankful for conducting this course, especially for beginners who are new to this field. The basic terminologies and the concepts related to this topic for emerging researchers was very well covered. I would like to hear more from BDG Life Sciences if there are any courses, events or workshops on this topic in future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sonam Yadav, a student of MSc Chemistry from K.R. Mangalam University, Haryana, India. I have attended the Next Generation Sequencing online workshop organized by Biodiscovery Group of Life Sciences. My experience was very great and knowledgeable, and I would like to thank BDJ for organizing these types of workshops, and I hope and even I also want to conduct these in future also. Thank you so much.
Hi, I am Munira Mashkoor. I have completed my postgraduate studies in bioinformatics in 2018 from Jamia Millia Islamia. During my post-graduation, I had attended a hands-on training session in drug discovery conducted by Biodiscovery Group. Based on my previous experience, I thought it's better to join one more course, so I decided to attend a one-day online training session on NGS. The NGS training session provided me an insight and covered all the theoretical aspects involved in the technique. It is always better to have an insight about the theoretical aspect before jumping to the technical aspect. And I was able to attend it with ease because the course generally is being conducted after the working hours.
My name is Raju Viswas. I am from Vishwabharati and I study on the PhD research on microbiology. And there I completed the one-day NGS courses in the BDC Bioinformatics course study. That's a nice study. That trainer is so helpful. When I question to the trainer is very helpful. So my feedback is good, and based on this my previous NGS study, this was helpful, and actually there are so many training in the India on bioinformatics platform, but the BDC bioinformatics is the best than the others bioinformatics training group. So I highly recommended the BDC bioinformatics that is studying, and another NGS previous courses studying in the BDC bioinformatics. So that's my helpful program to 2 hours 2 hour. So we are very thankful to BDC bioinformatics for studying the bioinformatics preliminary study courses. That's very helpful to me, and next I try to training in the BDC bioinformatics another future bioinformatics study. So thank you, BDC Bioinformatics. Thank you to all.
Hello, my name is Rashmi and I am currently pursuing my MSc in microbiology from Bangalore University, Bangalore, India. I attended a one-day course of 2 hours on next generation sequencing that was conducted on 22nd August 2019. This course was very informative, and an additional advantage of this course was that it was conducted in the chat format, which allowed me to make notes at leisure and also save the notes for future reference. I would highly recommend this course for all students and research scholars and research aspirants because this course provides the basics as well as the insights of the next generation sequencing technology and its advantages over the traditional Sanger sequencing methods. This is a highly recommended course and I thoroughly enjoyed this course. Thank you.
This is Ritu. I attended the 2 hours LGS course and it was very interesting and informative 2 hours. Now it felt a little less time for me because maybe I am new to this thing, but I would definitely will want to attend more future courses provided by the book. It was very nice to be aware of that. Thank you.
I am Abhishek Saha from Coachbihar district of West Bengal, research scholar from Department of Chemistry, Coachbihar Panchanand Borma University. I am benefited from 1-day 2-hour course held on 22nd August 2019 about next generation sequencing. From the course, come to know about NSG, type of next generation sequencing, most common terms used in NSG, advantage, disadvantage of different type of sequencing. Finally, wide range of application of NSG from biomedical research, forensic science, as well as NSG sequencing has become an important analytical tool for many genomic researchers, such as mitochondrial genome analysis. This powerful tool is revolutionizing fields such as personalized medicine, genetic diseases, and clinical diagnosis. Thank you.